In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Incognito Mode on the Google Maps app. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Next, tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From a menu, select Turn on Incognito Mode. Once enabled, Google Maps will stop saving your search history, location history, and activity to your account while you're using it. You'll notice the app changes slightly to show that Incognito Mode is active. To turn it off, tap the Incognito icon again or go back to your profile menu and select Turn off Incognito Mode. Keep in mind that while Incognito Mode is on, some personalized features like recommendations and save places may be limited. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Incognito Mode on Google Maps. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.